That was just a good match, guys. I'm just firm handshakes all around.
I'll tank all the nades for you guys. Don't worry about it.
You're a good guy. You're a good guy, Travis. I don't care what literally everyone in your family says about you.
Travis had me on edge. He's like, "There's a guy right next to you." I'm just like, "I don't see him, please."
And then the second I got down, you murdered.
Well, he rushed me right as he killed you.
Dude, M4 with the comp was feeling so damn good.
I'm still just all about the ump. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
When you guys are using the red dot, do you hit shift to zoom in further?
If it's a nuts in situation, if it's an insane situation, I'm probably just lucky to aim my gun. Otherwise, I will hit shift.
Crouching would be better than holding shift, I think.
You almost always go into first person shooting.
Oh, yeah. Unless you're like 4 feet in front of me and you scared the poop out of me.
I think I'm trying to do third person thing too much.
I don't see anybody. Oh yeah, no, your accuracy is complete butt cheeks whenever you're in third person.
Just thinking this is gears too much. Fucking hip fire.
Zone kinda far, just so you know.
Okay. Dude, I'm telling you right now, picking up gear. Oh, pretty good. I got an SMG comp I can give you, Justin.
Oh, I have an M4 I can give you.
Oh, son of a bitch!
I'm not messing with it.
Oh, son of a bitch! There's a barrel in
I don't
here.
know about you guys, but I don't want to stop. 360.
Oh my god.
And the dogs are pissed.
Yeah, they heard. They're amped.
I have attachments for every type of gun. I'm just picking it all up.
Well, that's good.
That's nice.
What the fuck? You can like stop going up. It looks so awkward.
Oh, when
Like,
you climb things? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, QBU. Big, big, big. Ooh, I didn't even see that.
A poor F key. I'm just picking everything up.
Oh!
God.
Tell him, Nico.
Oh, I see a Car 98. I have found 18 M16s.
I have a present for your car 98.
I don't. Alright, Brian, do you need this M4 or no?
Yes, please. I still have a
I'm gonna
comp.
mark
You need the comp?
Yeah, I need the comp.
Okay.
I'm gonna mark this M4.
Okay. Anybody need an AR extended?
Yep.
Okay, it's in my pocket. I'll give it to you.
You got something in your pocket?
You marked the M4 over here?
Yeah, I'll run to it just in case. It's in this little shack right now.
Oh, the shake! Alright, and I got the comp for you.
A million rounds on there too. Anybody want an SMG suppressor?
No. I have a compensator for SMG.
I need an AR comp, otherwise I'm useless.
I'm looking for the same shit.
It's taking the same comp.
Light level 2 helmet here if anyone wants it. And a red dot.
I need a red dot. Here's that.
Oh, here's your present, Justin or Brian. My feet.
Oh, that's very large. Dropping a flash hider for a sniper.
I don't really have any range, but I'll let you guys do that.
God damn it, dogs.
You can hardly hear them. I mean, they're not making any noise.
It's like they're not even there.
They just sleep all day.
Grenade on top of that building in front of you, Justin. You want to climb that barrier?
Alright, zone's almost here.
Oh shit, okay. 2 vests on this roof. 2 vests on this roof.
Check this roof for the frag, and I'm out of here.
There we go.
Roll.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Wait, is that a
Found myself
shot?
a secondary.
Is that an auto or is it a?
Oh, that's a double barrel.
God damn it!
How loud was that shot?
It was pretty loud. Dude, I still need that comp, man. This sucks. And a vert grip if anybody finds one. I can trade a half for it. Ooh, cheek pad. Worth the climb. So I think also what helps with a lot of our games is that if we win our first scuffle, we're good to go.
Yeah.
And Travis did the same thing he did during our last scuffle. He went down for the team.
Same thing I do every game.
We're gonna be immortalized on YouTube now.
Good.
That guy, he went down for the team.
God damn it.
Come on. 30cc engine, let's go.
Dude, our fucking flying car isn't working.
You had to believe.
Last time I sang that, the car exploded, so you're clear for
That
that.
was the hardest I've ever seen Bass laugh, by the way, when you did that shit.
Holy fuck. But I did that on console with some buddies from work. It was a full squad, all of us in the same car. I ramp it, and I go, we land upside down on the roof of this building and explode instantly.
Oh, that's a sawed-off.
Yeah. That's secondary. How do you like it?
Alright. Oh,
Does a lot of damage, though.
okay. The sawed-off, plan on that being the weapon you use to kill someone you downed, because it's not the best.
I see first aid in that building you're going towards, Brian.
Okay. Oh, there's two in here.
I'm good on that.
I'm gonna band-aid and throw a soda in my mouth. There's two first aids in everybody wants it.
I have one. Travis, do you have any?
I have a medkit, 3, and boost. I'm good.
Okay, I'll come grab it then.
Yeah, because I have 3 firsts and a med.
Jesus.
It's jungle out there. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Oh!
How vicious do they get?
That's just mainly Nico. He's very loud when he fuck.
Very loud lover.
Jax doesn't make a sound. He just fucking whoops the shit out of Nico.
Moving on to the next Mark City. Oh, I look behind me for a second and I see you mid-throw. That's getting clipped. Like, I saw it leaving your hand into my mouth.
I think I saw it on stream. That's pretty good.
Red, hot, mama.
I gotta put the game on. Yeah.
Oh, I'm still rocking a 2 times my sniper. I need to fix that.
Sorry,
I'm
Brian.
still
Your stream's going
rocking
away.
not a sniper.
9 mil in that building.
I'm gonna hang out here for a second and pop a pain mid.
Okay. Oh, 4 times and a QBU and some meds.
I don't do range anymore. Fuck that shit.
You guys find extra grip of any sort, I would appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Five, 5, 6, and yeah.
I went from having
What was
one
the
first aid to having 5, so if you guys want some.
No. Damn
Justin,
it,
here's
dude,
your
I
grip.
really need that AR comp. Really bad.
I'm gonna take it off my gun to give it to you. Just
Do
know
not
this.
do it.
Why? Why would you do that? I mean, I appreciate it.
I'm a supportive guy. That's why.
What do you got?
Like this. UMP.
What the dogs run into, Justin? Your old-timey spittoon?
It's a fucking empty water bowl. They're trying to tell me something, I think.
I hear clang!
Nobody wants a suppressor for the AR, right?
No.
Fuck. Both my shit's suppressed, and I have a sawed-off, just in case.
Fuck yourself.
Oh my god, that one actually got me. I was startled.
My cheeks were puckering.
I want everyone to know where we are. Care package? Release the crate!
I don't see it anywhere. See another Dacia. Dun, 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 dun.
See all games, please. Give me
Does anybody
Missouri
want to
Tigers.
trade their holographic for a red dot?
Yeah, do it. Being very supportive of this game. You guys are gonna win.
I mean, it's up to you. I don't know.
Middle of the
I'll be
street.
fine.
We'll make this transaction. I mean, that got me pretty good. I literally put my fucking hollow on my UMP by accident. That got me so.
New zone.
Missouri Tigers, there they are.
Hi ho.
Your
God
event is
damn it.
about to begin. Please stand by.
Please stand by. Oh, there's another hollow in here. Do you want this hollow back?
He ain't no hollow back girl.
I'm gonna run the hollow this game. Try it out.
Did you hear what I said? It's funny.
I heard what you said, and
Funny.
been wanting to talk to you about some things.
No, Travis, I will not listen about how you've loved me for the past few years.
No, it's different. He's like, he no longer loves you after that.
No, I'm gonna text you while you're playing Need for Speed. Tell you about these feelings.
Yeah, I'm gonna go just dust off Need for Speed really quick.
Weren't you forwarding him messages, Justin?
He
You
was,
thought-
but his new phone didn't say FWD.
Yeah, it didn't put anything there. It's just he got these no context messages.
I'm just gonna imagine Brian looking at it. Oh.
Yeah, I'm just. I hit pause. Read it. Unpause. Corey. Or, no, it's not Corey.
I'm peeking quarter right now. I don't see nothing.
Justin?
No, I'm fully geared. I could use a extra vertical if anybody finds one.
I need a vertical.
I still have no range, just so you guys know.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna be able to help you guys.
Brian
Yeah,
is our sniper.
we gotta make zone.
Does suppressor for the sniper, does that actually help?
Oh, fuck yeah. Enemy on the hill, straight 210.
Yeah, because
Good shot.
it's a flash hider also.
Suck
so.
my dick.
Watch your left, Brian. We're getting shot.
I just killed him.
Oh. Where is he knocked?
Straight 205 on top of the hill. I can't kill him. Oh! He must have fallen off a cliff. Oh, no, his teammates got killed. Teammates got killed.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Easy kill.
Alright, so
I got a sniper. Do you
they're
know
on
what it
the, they're on rock, sorry, they're on Cave Hill. That's pretty funny. I just look over and I see him aiming at you guys and I just go, pew. But he spotted us though, which is amazing. In the midst of his teammates being fucked.
I think these doors are open, but I'm gonna loot anyway.
Keep an eye on that cliff to your 150. They're gonna be coming down probably on the right side of that hill.
I'm going in with my sawed off.
Please don't.
I'm not gonna shoot it, but
They have to come off that hill over there. I can see the zone. They have to be coming off of it.
Somebody took all his 45 ammo. There's a vector nearby, I assume.
I need some 9mm. Really bad.
Oh, there's a bunch of it on this porch. Right here.
Hey guys, watch cave exit. That's probably where they are.
Alright, I'm gonna get out of the zone.
They have to be outside zone. There's nowhere they could be. Oh god, Travis.
And I'm here.
Alright, yeah, they have to be outside zone, but we should just make zone.
How far is it?
I haven't checked.
Jump on, Justin. We're going.
Yeah, it's not close.
I know, I'm just giving it a couple more seconds.
Yeah, I'm just staring at that cave from up here. I got a good view on it. They must have.
Oh god, they're outside.
Top of the hill,
240, 240 from me.
Yeah, 240.
He's running, he's running.
I think I might have
Like-
tagged him.
Oh yeah, you pissed him off, he's coming back.
Tagged him once.
Peeking me again. I'm netting.
Don't see him anymore.
I'm gonna peek. No, I can't, I don't have any range actually. I'm gonna use this rock. Got a VSS. We need to go though. Let's use this dirt bike to catch up to Brian.
I'll drive. Go, 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 go.
Shit shack, shit shack, shit shack.
Post up, post up.
Make zone, guys. I'm probably gonna die right here.
Oh, just got shot from the left. On top of the hill is 2 of them. Don't come to me. Don't come to me.
We have to.
One's up your hill right there on your right.
Oh, I see him. He's outside zone. On ass.
Pushing further in, I'm repositioned.
Yep.
Brian, do you have a clip of ammo floating?
Maybe.
I see him, he's outside over here. Oh my god, he's
Oh.
lit.
Don't hurt. That's so unlucky.
He's on me.
Oh god.
My bullets were not registering. I'm just gonna throw it out there. I was aiming right at the fucking guy. I don't have any bandages, so I'm gonna do what I can.
When zone hits, man. When darkness falls.
When darkness. Luckily, we're on skinny side, so we're pretty good shape.
I'm full boosted. I threw a syringe on a little bit ago.
Oh man. Love this game.
So I had that team that was shooting us across the street. I biffed on like 2 snipes. It was so bad.
We didn't even fuck with them. We just got on the bike and got out of there.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
We got flanked. I might die.
No, you're good. Man. You're good. You're too close.
Okay. I thought it was gonna hurt next level, not this one.
Watch behind you to your right. Yeah, over there.
Looks good.
We're skinny side. I'm gonna full boost.
Okay.
I have no vest basically.
Yeah, mine's pretty hurt. They have an arm down there.
I'm gonna look downhill really fast before I move. I don't see anything.
Same.
Just be aggressive.
Oh, that's definitely like 235 for me. They gotta make zone, so we'll have the advantage on.
Since I don't have range, I'd like to push one of these buildings.
Okay.
I have no sniper,
think
no 2
Booper
times, no
Duper.
nothing.
Booper Duper was the one with the arm.
He's dead or
dead.
not?
He's dead, yeah.
And they probably
Find
don't
out
have
in a
time to
second.
loot. Let's see.
I'll pay attention. Oh my god, Brian, you're floating right now on my screen. Holy fucking. Take a screenshot.
Jesus. Pub Jesus.
He's literally fucking floating. There it goes. I got a screenshot of it.
Fresh level 2 helmet here if we need one.
I do.
And pills. How many pills you got? I have 3 boosts.
I have 1 boost.
Alright, come grab it. Moving to the next building that's safe, okay?
Alright, sounds good.
Risky maneuver.
Closet's my concern for the moment. I'm gonna check it here in a second.
Where do people come down from this hill? Because that's where the shots were earlier, weren't they?
Yep. Checking closet way fast.
I don't like my window. I'm gonna come over here. Ooh, frag grenade.
We got some fresh helmets if we need them.
Is there a guy behind that rock?
I don't see one.
I saw it too.
Weird.
Talking about this right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it too. Freaked me out for a second. I see them coming down the hill. 2 of them. To the 230. I don't have range, so I'm not gonna do anything. They're crossing the street now.
I don't have any sights.
They're gonna be on your like the 250 here in a
I see
second.
them. They're decently far, but I see them. Oh!
I don't think he knows where they came from.
He's got another teammate close to us. There's rock between me and him.
Well, if they push, I'm in good shape, but otherwise I ain't gonna do much.
You can pop a nade behind that rock.
They're about to get crossed by this other team, 325.
Yep, I see him.
I think those are the final 2 teams.
Okay. Alright, well, we know where they are then. That's the good part.
We know at least, I know where 3 of
Oh
them
my
are.
god. Alright, I see one over here behind these set of rocks.
Yeah, they're about to fight. My only blind spot is my 5 degrees. There could be a dude behind the shack. Yeah, go ahead, finish them all for me, will you?
That's the big boy gun. I can see him. He's behind that green rock right there in front of me.
Oh, I see the 4th guy. He's at top of the hill. Top of the hill, 310. So we know where all of them are.
The
Okay.
guy behind that rock just got double naded.
I'm gonna reposition then behind the shack.
Okay.
Oh, he's getting mollied. Oh, you got a shot.
If I had range.
Nice. No helmet.
I at least necked him. Alright, but 260, Justin. We have 2 right in front of us. Small rock left and rocks right. What the the fuck's wrong with this game? Why does my gun keep unzooming?
Weird.
They're pushing, kind of.
They're fighting.
Pushing again. That was probably a good time. There's one down over there.
Yep, I'm
So
pushing
there's
in. We
only-
gotta push in.
I'm gonna start tossing nades, I think, before I push. Please don't hit that tree.
Yeah. One to the right, one to the right. There you go.
Oh my god. Look at this tree.
Toss one more. Nade up. Oh, that's got him. Gotta be so hurt.
They gotta push us with zone.
Yeah.
Only one guy.
I see him, he's on that big rock, the further rock.
Yeah.
He's on top of it.
Good win.
Good shit, boys.
This game.
I only got 2 kills. Justin, how'd you carry?
Same.
Jabs?
Zero.
Yeah, okay. Overall, still a win.
Yeah, I don't care. I enjoy looting and then dying.